installing this wig, this one was very simple and easy for me to install. I did have to add some bobby pins in the back to keep it down because of the way it was lifting. And like I told you all, when I pulled the drawstring, because it was roomy, it was making it bunch up in the back, and I did not want that to happen. I just got a fresh haircut, so I couldn't really use the comb in the nape area because I don't have much to hold on to right now. But like I said, it's very snug in this area. I don't think it's going to slip at all. So if you have a larger head, this is definitely going to be good for you. My other spray in my other room, and I didn't feel like going to go get it, so I ended up using this Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond. I used the yellow bottle. This has a strong hold, but what I did notice was right in the front, it just made it super shiny, so I had to kind of go in and play around with it. You guys also seen I plucked out the hairline just a little bit to open it up. And that everything laid down really well. I had no issues when it came to the lace. It didn't roll up or buckle or anything. And then I just went ahead and flat ironed the hair while it was in the middle part. I put a little powder into the parting space. The hair flat irons very, very well. It's already soft, so you're not gonna have to do a bunch of different passes through it. And when it is straight, it looks super, super natural. I love the length. I don't think that the ends look bad. And the density on this is also good because it's not too heavy, but it's also not too light to where you're going to see tracks. And did a side part, and I just kind of swooped the hair over just so it could sit out of my face. And then I put powder into the parting space also. And then I wanted to do just something really messy and fun. And I just added a little bit of wand curls throughout this hair because this is a softer Yaki texture. Your curls to last longer, go in with smaller pieces and also go in with some holding spray. I didn't do either. So I had to kind of recurl this side up a little bit, and I'm pretty sure the back is falling some, as you can see. Or you can go in with some flexi rods. I just would make sure to take my time and take smaller pieces. I did not. Definitely dropping into more of a loose wave, but it did give the hair more volume. So I just wanted you guys to see exactly what it would look like. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I received just a very small amount of shedding. I'm not really getting any snags right now, but I haven't worn this unit all day. I do expect to have some in the nape area, especially if you are going to wear this in the colder months, jackets, sweaters. It's just bound to happen. I also didn't have to go in with any Sleek and Shine serum. It's a little bit frizzy now because I've been playing around with the hair, but it's not frizzy to the point where I feel like it's out of control. The top of this unit laid down really, really well. The unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. But let's go ahead and get into this unit. Now, it does come in your bag, which you guys I already know because they switched their packaging up a while ago. And then the box, your unit right here. Let's get into this new because this is the new. This is their new bye-bye slip wig, or you can call it the no slip wig. This is their 7x5 Yaki texture. This one is in the length 24 inches. And look at that texture. Super beautiful. Looks very, very natural, and it also feels really good. It's nice and soft. What your lace area looks like. So as you can tell, they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. They also pre-cut the lace, and I'm pretty sure they went ahead and pre-plucked that hairline. It doesn't come with any combs on the side. However, you get the 3 anti-slip strips right here, and then you also get 2 seamless heat melted slip bands. You get your anti-slip strap at the bottom of the cap. You do get a comb right here in the nape area, and you also get your drawstring band. This is supposed to solve slipping and also lace lifting issues, but you already know we're gonna see and try it out. This band, of course, looks a little bit different. It is not the same as the removable elastic band. This one is a little bit more thinner, which I'm not really mad at the thinner strap, just because the other one can be a little bit too bulky sometimes. So I'm super excited to try this one out. So this is what it is looking like on, and let's talk about this fit. This is snug. Like up in this area, it's not going anywhere. At first I was a little bit worried about the strap, but it's actually pretty tight. However, in the nape area, there's a lot of room in the nape. And it's bunching up because of my drawstring. So I think that I'm going to unpull the drawstring so that it can lay a little bit flatter. And I just rather put the bobby pins back there because once I tightened it up, it's just bunched up a lot. Keep in mind, I have a small head, but this isn't going anywhere. Like this is snug. In fact, I thought about loosening up that little strap a little bit because I was like, oh, she is snug. So I just wanted you guys to know about that, because if you have a small head like me, those are things that you like to know about. As far as the fit on the side goes, everything is good. No issues. I don't have any issues with my ear leaning. Super flat at the top. Just had the room in the nape area. It definitely looks like scalp. They did a very good job with bleaching the knots. And then of course, if you're not a fan of the middle part, move it to the side. Move it to the side with no issues. What the length looks like on me right now while I'm sitting down. Let's see if I can roll it back a little bit more. So it definitely comes down. If you are not a fan of long hair, definitely choose a different length. A really good natural unit. I do love the new upgrade for it. I think of this unit, you guys know I love me some Yaki straight hair just because of how easy and natural it is to work with. This is a really good natural unit. I do love the new upgrade for it. I think of this unit, you guys know I love me some Yaki straight hair just because of how easy and natural it is to work with. Make sure to leave the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.